and today's video, as I already said, we're gonna be talking about the essentials to being a woman, a lady, a female, and having a period. But I don't know, I just really have no motivation right now. I just want to go in my bed, snuggle up into a ball, and be warm and feel better. I don't know, I just get so droopy when I'm on my period. But the essentials to having a period and to get through it are right here. But this video is not sponsored at all. It's just my own video for y'all to know. And these are just things that I use to get through my periods, you know? Okay, so the first thing that you need, so if you want coverage, anything, these are amazing. And always is a good brand no matter what kind you get. I get Always Infinity now. Always Infinity, that's what I use right now, and this is the only one I use. I always get the big box, and this lasts like 2 periods, maybe 2.5 periods, so I'm like 2.5 months stocked. Like my other one is almost finished, but actually it's not, it's like a 4th left, so this is like 3 periods plus that all together. I'm stocked, ready to go. And yeah, I have these. I get wings. I always have wings so that it's protected. It doesn't slide. The pad doesn't slide around going around through your day. It's secured, and you just change it every like 4-6 hours. And yeah, so that's how I keep stocked for my period. I put it in my book bag, any bag that I'm taking, like anywhere I go. If I was to ever forget or ever just start my period randomly and I forget to pack some, it's like everywhere in my car and all of my bags, it's in my room, like everywhere. So that's one thing. And then if I'm home and I lose like a lot of body heat really fast, and having a period can make you crampy, it can make you really tight, it can make you have pain. So I keep a blow dryer on hand under my bed, so it's right there. You just plug it in and blow it up. So what I do is get snuggled under the covers, close all the holes. I put my blow dryer on and it heats me up, and it feels like a huge warm hug, and it feels so good. Like it heats me up so fast. And then the covers stay warm too. I don't just leave it so like it's in one place, because then you might burn your covers, you might burn yourself. It's moving. Don't start a fire. Do not start a fire. And another thing to help you with your period is always have a onesie. Rubber ducky, you're the one. You made bath time lots of fun. Okay, that's probably not gonna go in there. But onesies, stay warm, keep your heat insulated. And so this will reduce cramps, because the more that your stomach is closed and heated, the less cramps you will have. And speaking of cramps and keeping warm, sleepy time. Find a tea that works for you. This is relaxing. It doesn't make me really sleepy, but it just soothes me, and it's relaxing, it tastes good, and it makes this area feel better. And you know, staying warm, always have a little blankie on deck. I have this blanket so like I don't have to mess up my bed. I'm just on top of the covers and I'm like doing homework or something. I'm like moving around a lot, and I just want something to keep me warm and to move with me, because when I'm on my period and I'm like laying down, I can't stay on one side for long, because then it'll start hurting, like really bad. It starts hurting. And so yeah, then also one other thing that will definitely help you with your period is the app MyDays. It kind of lets you know when your period, so it lets you know when your period is coming. It's a good estimation of when it's supposed to be there. You might be on time, you might be a day or two late, but as you get more months tracked in your calendar on MyDays, it'll predict your future period times, so you can be more prepared in that way. And I always check that if I'm like thinking about it, like, am I gonna start a period? Then I'll go check that, and it's pretty accurate. If you do keep track of your periods and you just want to go get it now, you can put your past periods on there so you can be ready for next month or your next period cycle. And it does a lot of things. You can track when your period's gonna start. You can track when you're ovulating. So if you're trying to get pregnant, you can use that. You can track if you take birth control. You can put that on there. It does a lot of different things, but I don't use it. I only use it for my period. So, but if you do need other things, it does that. And yeah, so these are my little essentials for, you know, my period, a little time of the month. But yeah, I hope you like these videos, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment down below, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.